So the flag that we're talking about, right, the length is twice the width. So the length is equal to 2 times the width, and the area of this flag is going to be length times width, which is 167.2 meters squared. So if we substitute this in here, right, we see that the length is 2 times the width. So we can put that in here. So we can get 2 width squared is equal to this. So if I divide both sides by 2, you end up getting 83.6. And if you square root both sides, you get plus or minus, right, 9.14 approximately. Obviously, you can't take the negative width, so you have to take the positive width of 9.14, or let's just round it to 9.1. Then the length, right, is equal to 2 times 9.1, which is 18.2. Okay, but actually the question says to the nearest meter, right? So rounding that to 9, you get 18. Okay, so we have the length to be 18 and the width to be 9. So we have a 9 by 18 meter flag.